ng Diyos, member sa kanyang iglesia, naging tapat. Dahil kapatid, ang pangako ng Panginoon, aani tayo. Hindi tayo naglilingkod para sa ani, pero kung totoo tayo, ibibigay ng Diyos yan. Purihin ang Panginoon. Sabihin mo, Panginoon, hindi po ako bibigay. I would not allow Satan to hinder me. I would not allow sin to hinder me. And I would not allow myself to hinder me. If you really mean business with the Lord, sing this song. Paborito ko itong awitin na ito. Very common. In moments like this, ipadama natin ang pag-ibig natin sa Panginoon. And then those who really mean business with the Lord, please stand up. But if you do not mean business with the Lord, please remain sit down. Maliban lang sa may mga kapansanan. Kapag may kapansanan, maupo ka lang. Pero yung walang kapansanan, please stand up if you really mean business with the Lord. Nakikita ng Panginoon ang iyong puso. Awitin natin. In moments like this, I sing out the song. I sing out